Is it wrong that I kind of feel like wish we could hit some jumps, man?
You do jumps with that one? What you said?
Yeah, I wish we could hit some jumps.
Oh, that is kind of wrong.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
That'd be kind of stupid.
Especially with that one.
But it'd be real fun.
It would be
I
fun.
have done some speed bumps and stuff and like curbs.
You can probably take the fender off of this one with a stock height, maybe even raise it up some more.
Yeah.
If it has more adjustment.
Make it like fun.
Stiffer.
Yeah. Oh, it's got plenty.
You'd swallow your nuts, but
stand on the pegs. Yeah, do not allow that to occur. Matter of fact, just the G of like the sack stretch when it hits. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Like you might not hit it, but it'd be like bam, and then you throw up.
Yeah.
Immediately vomit.
Oh.
Yeah.